Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn on microphone access for the Sora app on your iPhone. Wow, it's super simple, but you still got to pay attention to a few small things. Okay, let's go ahead and break this down step by step. First up, what you're going to want to do is open the Settings app. Once you're there, scroll down until you find all your installed apps. Keep scrolling a bit until you see Sora listed right there. Tap on Sora. Over here, you'll see some options like camera, notifications, and photos. Now look for the microphone setting. If it's off, go ahead and switch that toggle on. Oh great, that's all you really have to do. Sora now has access to your mic. Once it's done, open the Sora app again and boom, you're good to start recording or talking right away. Now, if you notice that the microphone option's missing from the settings screen, don't worry. What you can do is log out from your Sora account and then log back in. Right after you sign in, you'll probably see a pop-up asking to allow microphone access. Just tap Allow and you're set. Anyways, that's how you fix microphone permission issues in Sora. This should help your voice record clearly and make your AI videos sound bright and natural. If you have any other questions, you can call on me in the comments. I'll help you make out any issue you're facing. Adequate and easy, right here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart iPhone tricks coming ahead.